It's time for your Monday market, and the price of oil fell by more than 3% today. The black stuff is the lowest it's been since January. Let's take a look. A short while ago, Brent Crude oil that South Africa imports for fuel fell to $81. Remember, it was trading at that level in January before Russia invaded Ukraine in February, and prices soared all the way up to $120 per barrel. For an oil importing country like South Africa, the price there that we're looking at is good news in terms of our petrol determination. But remember that the price will also be determined by the level of the rand that has trended weaker in recent months. It's worth noting that oil and world markets are being weighed by fears around China. Now, China has resorted to very harsh lockdowns to deal with COVID-19 since 2020, and that has damaged the economy. Protests are extremely rare in China, but demonstrations have been recorded across major cities as a backlash against the government's zero-tolerance approach. The lockdowns have been very detrimental. Overnight, hundreds of demonstrators and police clashed in Shanghai. Now, South Africa's unemployment rate is expected to remain elevated for the third quarter of the year. We are waiting for those numbers tomorrow. And that's on the back of weak economic prospects and intense rolling blackouts. One economist believes that unemployment numbers will be boosted, though, by preparations for the festive season, with companies hiring to supplement staff.
Small businesses are starting to pick up back to work. And as well, you find some companies as well, mainly from the industrial side and retail side, you find that the preparation of the last quarter of 2022 have led them to as well increase their employment, like statistics, like in their own companies. So I'm having a positive view of unemployment moving from 33.9 to 31%. And the challenge that we might highly see is the consistent high unemployment rate of youth, which I believe it will remain, for the ages of 15 to 22, it will remain above 60%. And then for the ages between 25 to 34 years, it will be around 45%, which in general we will say youth unemployment will remain above 55%.